Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, I will show you the best features that we can find in the settings of the camera. So open settings, scroll down and go for the camera. And as you can see, at the first we can change quality of the video and slow motion. So we can go even for the 4K at 60 frames per second. In the slow motion we can record 120 frames or 240. We can also use the volume up button for burst shot. Take a look how it works. Click volume up. And as you can see, we can take series of the photos. We take almost 100 photos. And we can take a look on them right here. For example, we can save maybe this one. I think we can take the 3 photos, then click down in the right upper corner and we can get rid of the rest of the 95 photos. So we are going to only keep these 3 photos. And there it is, as you can see. The next option that we can use, that's this QR code scanner. So with this option, when we have the QR code in front of us, we are able to scan it by using our camera application, so we don't have to get any external app from the App Store. We can also add grid lines to the photos. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and we are able to take better composition of our photos. So for example, if you want to put this object in the middle, you are able to make it easier with these lines on the screen. And I think that's all from the settings. When you are in the photo mode, we can quickly change brightness level by moving this icon. We can increase or decrease brightness level. You can also make it manually by tapping on the screen. When you click right here on this arrow, you are able to open the different options. So we can also quickly change aspect ratio, but you have to remember that the best quality you will always get with 4:3. We can also adjust exposure. Here we can add timer, so we can take photo after 3 or 10 seconds. As you can see, after 3 seconds the photo will be taken. And here when we tap, we can add filters to our photos. So they will change temperature and colors. We can take photo, for example, with this one. This one, and maybe with the black one. And there it is. Take a look on the difference. Okay, and when we are in the video mode, we are also able to change the brightness level manually. And here we got the portrait mode with cool lighting. And of course the best example it will be when someone in front of you. So in my case I cannot show you honestly how great it works, but that's the very useful option when you want to separate the environment when the person is in front of you. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.